Bluey woke up early, sun spilling warm across her room. She rubbed her eyes, yawning big, and ran to Mama, calling, "Mama! Mama!" Chilli appeared with a soft smile, arms open wide. Could mornings feel this magical? Bingo bounced along, tugging Bluey. "Mama, can we play today?" Bluey's tail wagged fast, eyes sparkling. Chilli laughed, "Of course, but first, breakfast." Bluey groaned playful, "Do we have to wait? Could patience ever be this hard?" They sat at the table, cereal and juice ready. Bluey leaned forward, elbows on the table, listening close as Mama told a funny story from when she was little. Bandit peeked in, shaking his head laughing, "Your stories are wild, mate." Bluey giggled loud, nearly spilling her juice. Could listening be more fun than playing? After breakfast, Chilli suggested a walk to the park. Bluey jumped high, grabbing Mama's hand. "Let's go! Let's go!" Bingo and Muffin followed fast, socks barking beside them. The wind blew fresh, the leaves dancing. Could a simple walk feel like an adventure? At the park, Bluey climbed, swung, and twirled under Mama's watchful eyes. Chilli cheered loud, "Higher, Bluey! You're amazing!" Bluey's ears flopped, tail swishing, heart racing with joy. Bingo tried copying flips, Bandit clapped from the bench, laughing. Could happiness feel this loud? Suddenly, a small cloud of rain drifted close. Bluey frowned, looking at Mama worried. Chilli smiled calm, opening her umbrella wide. "Don't worry, we'll stay dry." Bluey hugged her tight, whispering, "Mama, you're the best." Chilli's eyes glimmered, ruffling her fur. Could love be this simple and strong? As the rain eased, Bluey danced under the rainbow, Mama spinning beside her, laughter echoing bright. "Life is better with family," Bluey shouted, tail wagging fast. The friends cheered, the park glowing with joy. Could every day be this magical? Bluey looked at the camera, smiling wide, hugging Mama close. If you loved our adventure, hit like, tap subscribe, and join us for more fun, laughter, and special moments with family.